Candyland.
Earth, a peaceful planet, until now.
Welcome to Candyland. Look at the sign. Oh, my arm. Oh, ow. Oh.
Okay. What's that?
It's a Flausentrauser.
You're in great danger. I died here.
We're scared.
Eat that candy.
Okay.
I thought you were dead.
No.
Now let's go kill that witch.
It's the witch's house.
I'm a ghost. You can't trap me.
What?
Oh no.
I can get you out.
Oh, whoever got me to Candyland, please give me a watch.
The end.